It's Andy again. So I got these in the mail. I forgot I had even bought them. Kind of. I bought these two because they're fun. I'll start with these guys. They're pretty cheap. I bought this stuff off Banggood. These 3 items. So Banggood, sometimes it's hit or miss, but this stuff so far looks pretty good. This was very poorly packaged, and that heatsink fin got damaged a bit, but the rest of it looks perfectly fine. So I'll start with this. I bought these because they're just nice to have. Not much more to say. It's funny because in the description I think it says it's fused, and obviously it isn't, so that's dumb. You know, hit or miss with Banggood, but I don't really need the fuse. I just wanted these for little projects I make, and hopefully for this. So I'll start with this guy. So I chose him because his max voltage is 29.4, and that's the max voltage of my unit. Some MPPTs do not have 29.4 volts as their max. You do not want to buy one of those. I'll have the link in the description of this and everything, all the info on it. So yeah, the specs on it are good ish for a very cheap MPPT, yeah, whatever. Anyways, it's good. I'll show you. Pictures will be right there. So this thing, I'm gonna use it to. This thing can do a max of 50 volts DC. Drops it down to 29.4-ish probably. I'm gonna do some testing in the future to verify that. And this will be my charge controller for my Powerwall. It was pretty cheap. And then this is a 35 volt DC audio amplifier. So it's 500 watts. I think it does 5 amps or something. I don't know. Probably more. But I'm thinking that this is like cheap. It's 20, 30 bucks, whatever. And this is, you know, same deal, 20 bucks or something. I put these two together, and I have a very good option that's very cheap, and it's modular. And that's my main goal of everything I build, is to be extremely modular. And plus, I can actually put a solar panel to this in the future if I want. And I can use this for, like, charging at nighttime when electricity is a lot cheaper. So that's kind of the idea. Because my idea is not to have a wind turbine or a solar panel until I have 7 of these installed, and I have a 4,000 watt or several 1,500 watt pure sine wave inverters. So I think this is going to be very good. I think the biggest problem with going off-grid is buying the solar panels and the wind turbines. I think the most important part is get your battery bank first, use your inverter with your battery bank for at least a month or 2, and monitor and document everything, figure out how much power you consume, then do the math, and then buy. I think the best option is buying one of those hybrid wind solar pulse width modulated charge controllers, and then you have a small wind turbine and a bunch of solar panels, and that way you have a good setup. But first you need your battery bank. You do not need a bunch of solar panels or a wind turbine first. You need your batteries and you need your inverter, and you have to test them. You have to figure out how much power you consume and how much energy generation you need to do in a normal work week, right? If you have 6 to 7 of these, you have a ton of electricity at your disposal, right? 30 kilowatt hours-ish is a lot of power. Each one of these is going to be somewhere around 4.5 kilowatt hours. Hope you like it. I'll let you know. I'll do testing on this in the future. Same with my other guys, these guys. So, thanks. Bye.